Okay.
Oh, Jack! The things you make me do.
The things I make you do.
Oh my God.
And then we go up. I think I've just made the biggest mistake of my life.
Yep.
Thank you very much, James Nathans, and once again, Bondi Beach, Victorian, Wollongong, Queensland, Glenelg SA, all the Devil's hottest blow in the way at the current record.
2 hands up, buddy.
No way!
Nice view. Look at the view. It's nice.
I don't want to look at the view.
It's a pretty view.
Pretty. Oh my God.
What?
I don't like the waiting.
Ready for round 2?
No.
I am. Hit out of my face.
Don't rock it, Jack. If you're rocking it, don't. Please, okay?
Right.
Because I'm serious.
Okay. You got angry at me just then.
Pardon?
Nothing. So cool.
I want to ramp up my skills so I can go further. I've got several projects lined up, and I need workers who are right to go.
Alrighty, guys.
You know how you pay for that second
Yeah, you guys probably didn't.
Yeah, we did, but I don't know that I want to go.
You'll be right.
Yeah, I know. I'll be fine.
Okay.
Okay. You ready?
Time for round 2.
Ready for round 2.
Let's go. Okay. Mom, put your hands up this time.
No, because I'm not.
Alright, bud. Do that, but keep your heads back.
Head back.
To get her arms up.
No!
Arms up.
You're lucky I'm even going on again. No! No! Bye! Yuck, that was worse that time.
Yeah. Better for me.
Ah.
That bench seat down there, that's a dead body once you look at it from above. Dead body. Hello, Mr. Dead Body. You'll be my best friend now. Ow!
What?
I hit my head. Just because I'm clever. Hello. That sign up there looks like the Predator.
Does it?
Yeah, look at it.
I can't remember without my glasses.
Oh, yeah. Probably just looks like a colourful Blair. That was fun.
Fun for you. Fun for you listening to me scream.
Well, no, that was kind of painful to my ears. Oh.
guys. Thank God paid for you to go again, so.
No, no,
Yeah,
way.
heads back.
No,
3.
he knows he'd be sleeping on the
Sit
couch
on
for a
top,
year. Longer than a year. Thanks.